Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer Venmo money to bank account. So first thing you're going to need to do is just open the application and then log into your account if needed. Now once you're logged in and in the homepage of the Venmo application, you just have to go to your profile at the bottom right corner rather. So just tap on this one. And then you just have to select transfer to bank or transfer. So just tap on this one. Now once you do that, just enter the amount that you want to transfer. After you typed in the amount that you want to transfer, now you just have to choose your bank account and then select the speed. You can use the instant. It has some fees of $10 maximum. And then for standard, you just have to wait for 1 to 3 business days for it to arrive to your bank account. And then you just have to confirm the transfer, or you can tap on this transfer to. You can type in here the bank details, and then you just have to confirm and just tap on this transfer at the bottom. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!